What I wish I'd known before hitting the road today. Ford just recalled almost 500,000 cars for a brake fluid leak. Yup, you heard that right. Here's what you need to know fast. Ford is recalling close to 500,000 vehicles today, including popular models like the Ford Edge SUV and the Lincoln MKX, all because of a major brake fluid leak. This leak could make it harder to stop your car, raising the risk of crashes for drivers and passengers. Seriously dangerous stuff. So, how do you know if you're affected? Check your car's VIN, the vehicle identification number. Now visit Ford's recall lookup page on their site, or call your local dealer and check your VIN. Don't wait for a warning light or a close call. Dealers will inspect and fix the issue for free, but you have to act. Even if your brakes feel fine, don't ignore this alert. Your safety is on the line. Ford says they're reaching out to owners, but be proactive. Head to Ford's official recall site right now. Enter your VIN on the lookup page now, and schedule a repair appointment if needed today. Don't risk it, check your VIN today. Your safety comes first.